Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. In this video, we'll explore 12 remarkable plants that will infuse your garden with a symphony of color throughout the year. Whether you're a seasoned horticulturist or a budding gardener, join me as we delve into the fascinating world of these botanical wonders. The rose, a timeless symbol of love and beauty, has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. Its delicate petals and enchanting fragrance have inspired poets, artists, and lovers alike. Gracing us with its presence in a kaleidoscope of colors, the rose offers a visual feast that can transform any garden into a paradise. From deep reds to soft pinks and vibrant yellows to pure whites, each hue tells its own story. With careful selection, you can enjoy a succession of roses throughout the year. Imagine a garden where roses bloom in spring, summer, and even into the fall, each season bringing its own unique charm and beauty. Consider planting a mix of varieties with different blooming periods to ensure a continuous spectacle. Hybrid teas, floribundas, and climbers can all play a part in creating a dynamic and ever-changing display. Provide your roses with ample sunlight, well-drained soil, and regular watering. These essential elements will help your roses thrive and produce the most stunning blooms. Experiment with different colors and varieties to create a rose garden that reflects your unique style. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of red roses or the playful charm of multicolored blooms, there's a rose for every taste and garden. Regular pruning and care are also crucial. By removing spent blooms and shaping your plants, you encourage new growth and maintain the health of your rose bushes. A well-tended rose garden not only brings joy to the gardener, but also attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, adding another layer of life and movement to your outdoor space. Ultimately, a rose garden is more than just a collection of beautiful flowers. It's a place where memories are made, where families gather, and where the timeless beauty of the rose can be appreciated by all. Lavender captivates our senses with its intoxicating aroma and delicate purple blooms. Thriving in sunny locations with well-drained soil, lavender is perfect for borders, edging, and rock gardens. To encourage continuous blooming, deadhead the spent flowers regularly. Whether you prefer English or French lavender, there's a variety to suit every taste. Invite this aromatic beauty into your garden and enjoy its soothing presence year after year. The marigold embodies the essence of sunshine with its vibrant hues of orange, yellow, and gold. These flowers are like little bursts of sunshine, brightening up any garden space with their warm and inviting colors. Their petals seem to capture the very essence of the sun, radiating warmth and joy. Easy to grow, marigolds thrive in full sun to partial shade and a variety of soil conditions. Whether your garden gets a lot of sunlight or just a bit, marigolds will adapt and flourish. They are incredibly resilient and can handle different types of soil, from sandy to clay. This makes them an excellent choice for gardeners of all skill levels. Their long blooming season extends from late spring to the first frost. This means you can enjoy their vibrant colors for many months. As other flowers start to fade, marigolds continue to bloom, providing consistent beauty in your garden. They are a true testament to the enduring power of nature. Deadhead spent flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming. By removing the old wilted flowers, you make room for new blooms to take their place. This simple task can keep your marigolds looking fresh and vibrant all season long. It's a small effort that yields big rewards. Marigolds also have pest-repellent properties, making them a great companion for vegetables. Planting marigolds alongside your vegetables can help protect them from harmful insects. Their natural ability to repel pests makes them a valuable addition to any garden. Plus, they add a splash of color among the greens of your vegetable plants. Invite these cheerful blooms into your garden and enjoy their radiant beauty and pest-repellent properties. Marigolds are more than just pretty flowers. They are hard-working plants that contribute to the health and beauty of your garden. Their bright colors and practical benefits make them a must-have for any gardener looking to create a vibrant and thriving outdoor space. Pansies thrive in cool weather, adding vibrant color and cheer to both autumn and spring gardens. These delightful flowers are a gardener's favorite for their ability to withstand the chill and still look stunning. Known for their heart-shaped petals and intricate markings, pansies come in a wide range of colors. From deep purples and blues to bright yellows and oranges, their diverse palette can complement any garden design. Each pansy seems to have its own unique face, adding character and charm to your garden. They can withstand frost and often bloom best in cooler temperatures. This resilience makes them perfect for extending the gardening season, providing beauty when many other plants have faded. Even a light dusting of snow won't deter these hardy blooms. Pansies prefer partial shade and well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Ensuring the soil is fertile and drains well will help them thrive. They do best in locations where they receive morning sun and afternoon shade, protecting them from the harshest rays. Deadhead spent flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming. This simple task not only keeps your pansies looking neat, but also promotes new growth and more flowers. Regular maintenance will reward you with a longer-lasting display. Plant them in beds, borders, containers, or hanging baskets to brighten your cool season garden. Their versatility means you can enjoy their beauty in various settings, whether cascading from a basket or lining a garden path. Pansies are truly the jewels of the cool season, bringing joy and color when it's needed most. Chrysanthemums, or mums, paint the autumn landscape with vibrant hues. Originating in East Asia, they are prized for their beauty and longevity. Thriving in well-drained soil and full sun, chrysanthemums are easy to care for. Pinch back stems in late spring or early summer for bushier growth and more blooms. Cut back stems after flowers fade to prepare for winter. Chrysanthemums offer endless possibilities for adding autumnal splendor to your garden. Petunias, with their trumpet-shaped blooms and vibrant colors, embody the essence of summer. Easy to grow, they thrive in full sun to partial shade and a variety of soil conditions. Their long blooming season extends from late spring to the first frost. Deadhead spent flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming. Petunias come in a dazzling array of colors and patterns. Plant them in beds, borders, containers, or hanging baskets to enjoy their radiant beauty. Daffodils, with their trumpet-shaped cups and delicate petals, herald the arrival of spring. Easy to grow, they prefer full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Plant them in the fall for cheerful blooms in spring. Allow foliage to die back naturally to encourage naturalization. Daffodils are resistant to deer and rodents, making them a worry-free choice. Invite these cheerful harbingers of spring into your garden. Tulips, with their vibrant colors, signal the arrival of spring. Originating in Central Asia, tulips have been cultivated for over 1,000 years. Plant bulbs in the fall in a sunny location with well-drained soil. Tulips come in a dazzling array of colors and varieties. Allow foliage to die back naturally to encourage naturalization. Enjoy the vibrant hues of tulips in your garden year after year. Hydrangeas, with their exquisite blooms, add elegance and charm to any garden. Native to Asia and the Americas, hydrangeas can change color based on soil pH. They prefer morning sun and afternoon shade, especially in warmer climates. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods. Hydrangeas come in a wide array of colors and bloom types. Invite these captivating beauties into your garden and enjoy their color-changing magic. Begonias thrive in the cool embrace of filtered sunlight. With over 1,800 species, begonias offer a wide range of shapes, sizes, and colors. They prefer well-drained soil rich in organic matter and consistent moisture. Begonias are ideal for shady gardens, patios, and indoor spaces. Remove spent blooms and yellowing leaves regularly. Plant them in beds, borders, containers, or hanging baskets to brighten shady spaces. Geraniums, with their cheerful blooms and easy-care nature, are a garden classic. Native to South Africa, they bloom profusely throughout the warmer months. Geraniums thrive in full sun to partial shade and are relatively drought-tolerant. Deadhead spent flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming. Pinch back tips of stems for bushier growth and more flowers. Enjoy the vibrant colors and low-maintenance beauty of geraniums in your garden. Coneflowers, with their daisy-like blooms and vibrant colors, attract pollinators to the garden. Native to North America, they are hardy and drought-tolerant. Coneflowers thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Their long blooming season extends from midsummer to fall. Deadhead spent flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming. Enjoy the wild beauty and resilience of coneflowers in your garden. And there you have it, 12 remarkable plants that will transform your garden into a symphony of color throughout the year. Remember, gardening is a journey of discovery and creativity. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe. Happy gardening!